Hello and welcome to Everyday English Treats. Today's word of the day is grateful. Let's learn what it means. Grateful means feeling thankful and appreciative for something. A grateful person appreciates the kindness, help, or support they receive. Here's an example. I am grateful for my family's love and support during difficult times. This means I truly appreciate the care and encouragement they have given me. Now it's your turn. Can you create your own sentence using the word grateful? Comment down below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Learn a little, speak a little, and grow a little every day. See you soon.